did you? Don't worry, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deandra Michaela here, and I'm back again with another video. I'm here today to do a soft glam look. Is this look that you're looking at right now? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you are enjoying this video so far. Turn on the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, so let's just get on into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay guys, so first things first, I am going to be using my Neutrogena Hydroboost moisturizer. Okay, and now I'm going to be priming with the Sacha Buttercup primer. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be moving on to the brows, and I'll be using the Go Brow Eyebrow Kit from Ruby Kisses. Doesn't have yeah, black, dark brown. This is how it looks. So yeah, I'm just filling in my brows with powder because I've started to really like very light brows, like honestly. Okay, so I'm going to clean. So now I'm going to clean up my brows using the Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. After I do my eyebrows and prime my lids and stuff, I'm going to apply my foundation, and this is the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 360. So I'm just taking 2 pumps of that and applying it to my skin. Okay, now I'm going to conceal with the same concealer that I used earlier, which is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend all of this out. Okay guys, before I blend out under the eyes, I'm going to use the Black Radiance foundation stick in the shade Espresso to contour. Okay, so now I'm going to set everything with the Airspun Translucent Loose Face Powder. my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is the dark to deep version. And then to further set my face, I'm going to use the Superstay, the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade 355. I'm sorry for the noise in the background, but I am sweating bullets, okay? Like, I can't manage the heat right now. I'm so sorry. And then for blush, I'm using the e.l.f. blush palette. This is a dark version, and I'm going to be using the last two shades just to give myself a blush of color. For my eyeshadow today, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Shock the palette we'll be using to achieve our soft glam today. So we're basically using the first row. So the first color I'm going into is the shade Sidetrack, this one right here, and I'm using my Morphe my Morphe E27 brush, and I'm using this as my transition shade, of course. I'll be going into the shade Reckless, that's directly beside Sidetracked. I'll be using my Morphe M441 brush and putting that directly into my crease, just to deepen it up a little bit. Shade Snapped, and that's in the last row. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this, I'm just putting this in my outer corner and blending it slightly into my crease, not all the way, just to give it a little bit of sultriness. So I'm going to take some of the concealer that was left off on my eyebrow brush, and I'm going to apply that to the lid area. This is how we're going to get that matte look. So I'm just applying it over my lids, not too far down though, because we're not doing a cut crease, so yeah. And then I'm going to use my blending brush just to further blend this out, because if we apply it to wet concealer, it's going to be patchy. So now we're going to use the first three shades in the palette, which are Fresh, Compliment, and Idealistic. We're going to mix all those three shades to get that matte look. Guys, so we're going to pack the eyeshadows on top of the concealer that we just placed down. Okay guys, so I'm going back in with my Morphe 441 brush, and any any leftover eyeshadow that's on the brush, I'm just going to use to blend out the eyeshadow that we just placed down. Now I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild H2 not concealer, eyeliner to just do a very simple liner. No wing today though. These lashes that I got from a IG boutique, Blush by Nishi. I will link her page down below, but I got this 5-pack, and I'll be using this one today. Yeah. While my lashes dry, I'm going to be applying my mascara. This is the Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express Waterproof mascara. I really like this mascara, guys. I don't know if it's just the flexibility of the one, but I really like it. I am going to spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I know this isn't affordable, guys, but an affordable one you can use is the Sacha Fix It Spray. I think this is, I don't remember how much I bought this, but I think it was $1,900 or $2,000. Really don't remember how much it. But yeah, this is an affordable alternative to this. So I'm just gonna spray my face using the Black Radiance Baked Bronzer in the color Beautiful. Looks like this. Then I'm just going to put some of that highlighter in my inner tear duct just to spice it up a little bit. Okay guys, so for my lips I'll be using a combo. Yeah, so I'll be using my Clinique. These mini, my friend gave me these. Oh my god, guys, I absolutely love them. I'm going to get the bigger versions for these, but yeah, these are the Clinique Pop Splash Lip Gloss, and I'm using the shade Caramel Pop. Absolute favorite, guys. Like, I love it. Bad. Every party I go, I even wear. Okay guys, and that is on period, so I'm gonna fix my hair, trying to fix it, and then get back to you guys. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Yes guys, the perfect soft glam, perfect for a date night, perfect for a party, girls night out, anything, you name it, you can wear this look. All products will be linked down below, and also other videos that you can check out to help you with your makeup game and stuff like that. So yeah guys, that's basically it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment some video ideas that you guys would want to see from me, and turn on the bell so you don't miss a video from me. And that's basically it guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.